Alright friends, today we're unboxing this giant box here. Actually, it's not that big. It's a smartwatch. This is a unique fit smartwatch and fitness tracker. It's waterproof, sleep monitor, step counter, all that good stuff. And it says smart light off there, smart life on there. And it's by Unique Fit. My goodness, if I could talk. So, what we got here is, let's just open up the box. Stop talking, less talking, more unboxing. All right, so there it is right there, and it looks pretty cool. You could grab this off of Amazon for about 36 bucks, I think. So I pulled it out of its little case there. First impression, it's pretty sturdy. The band feels like a nice, like a rubber slash silicone, and appears to be, let's see, the glass edge here goes all the way to the end, so it maybe has a kind of a like infinity pool looking design there. So pretty cool looking watch. This is a black one here. I picked up the black one, and I don't think these are available any longer. They're currently unavailable, but they have different other colors. So anyways, let's see what else is in the box here. Let's see here. Maybe some instructions would do me good. Alright, so there's that. And under here we have, what is this? Alright, we have, well, interesting. So this is the charger. It's like a little USB, and it has a little clamp thing here, and trying to look where those would go. So it would clamp onto the side here. Oh, it's got a little smiley face on there too, if you guys can see that. That's pretty cool. Alright, so here is how you would charge it. It has these two little pins there, and you'd bring your charger in on the side apparently, and okay, from this side then, and that's going to clamp down. Make sure your little contacts are all lined up. Okay, that's pretty cool. So that's how it goes on the charger, like that. Make sure you're make sure it's connected. All right. So that's that part. You know what, I'm going to just try this on just for the fun of it, because see how comfortable it is. Hopefully it doesn't hurt my sunburn. Went to the lake the other day and got toasted, so oh wow, that feels actually pretty comfortable, and it's not pulling out all my arm hair, which is a bonus. It's not fun when all your arm hair gets pulled out. I'm liking the feel of this band. It's like super like flexible. How's that look? Pretty cool, huh? Anyways, let's see what else is in the box here. So we have the instructions. I might have to read up on a little bit this to make sure I know how to do stuff. So this is obviously just the unboxing. My unboxing videos, I generally don't do a product demonstration and everything else. I usually just unbox it, show you what's going on here, talk about kind of the design and everything. And man, I have pretty small wrists, but this has, I mean, man, I probably get this over my bicep. It's a good sized band here. It's super comfortable also. So first impressions, I wonder if I could turn this thing on. I don't even know how, but I really want to just fire it up here. Don't know how though. Probably have to charge it first. Anyways, that's the unboxing, my friends. As I said, you can pick this up off of Amazon for about 36 bucks. I will leave a link in the description below where you can go swing by there and see what you think. I'll be doing a review and a demonstration shortly. Go put this on the charger, get it all charged up, and that'll be the next step. All right, so thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. As always, have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time. ETPC out.